Hello, I'm Richard, Managing Director of Oakleaf Gates, and I'd just like to take you through the key features of the unique ultimate garage doors that we produce. Our ultimate garage doors come with the motor concealed in your garage floor. Our unique design of frame and door allow these heavy doors to be supported on the motor, closing, giving a weather-tight seal. Here we see a completed installation where we have the brush seal on the frame, between the frame and the garage door there. Also a secondary seal with a brush along the bottom of the door, which will close against your garage floor, ideally suited if you've got a heated garage. We also have here the safety beam which goes across the threshold to avoid the gates closing on vehicles.